So we catch up a short.
Let's
Casually.
Yes. Let me just do this one last slide.
How does it feel to be part of this kind of event as such?
I really like it because it's very different. There's all kinds of new innovative designers who've put up their personal style and collection out there, and it's very exciting, especially when you're a girl and you walk into a place like this where there's colors and like jewelry calling out to you from every corner. It's a lot of fun.
When you talk about fashion and when you talk about style, how can you differentiate between these two, fashion and style?
I honestly think that your personal style is something that you have, and it has nothing to do with like latest trends and like latest fashion. And fashion, like you said, on the other hand, is something that keeps coming and going. This, like today, high-waisted jeans may be in fashion, tomorrow they may not be. But if your personal style is wearing high-waisted jeans, it doesn't matter. So I think your personal style is definitely more important than fashion to me.
You are part of the glamour industry, so is it important to be fashionable to get recognized or to get fame as such and to get successful as such?
I mean, I think more than being fashionable, it's important to have your own style. Like, it's important to be a personality of your own, whatever it may be. It may not be flamboyant, it may be flamboyant, but like to portray that has to come through with your presence. So I think, yeah, it definitely is important because you have to make a mark. Like, people have to know you for who you are. So that way you have to dress that way.
Talking about your professional life, what are you doing right now at the moment? Your professional life, what are you doing right now?
So my film Bank Chor, which is a Yash Raj film, it's opposite Ritesh Deshmukh. Also Vivek Oberoi is in the film, is due to release very soon. The release date's not confirmed yet, but so I was working on that last year, shooting a few songs for it as of now, and then we're going to release it soon. Thank you.
कौन? रोशनी चोपड़ा।
रोशनी
चोपड़ा
नाम सुना हो यार, ये कौन सी एक्ट्रेस है, कौन सी मूवी में काम किया?
टीवी में आती है, एक दो फिल्म में की है, चली नहीं, निकली नहीं फिल्म, बंद डिब्बे में बंद रह गई।
निकल देना।
You know, it's an experience showing the fashion of different countries from Dubai to Pakistan. So what do you have to comment on it?
Actually, I grew up in Dubai. मैं 10 साल की उम्र में my parents had shifted there, so मैंने और मेरी बहन दिया ने we spent about 8 years there. And Dubai is really an international fashion hub जहाँ Indian, Pakistani, European, American सारे styles sort of blend into one nice melange. So I think it's a very trendy city, right up there on the map with London or New York. And I'm happy that our label, Roshni Chopra Design, is going to be in Dubai. So I'm very excited क्योंकि जो label हमने launch किया है, Roshni Chopra Design, that's going to be in Dubai at their store. Or I think it's a great place to be. It's like putting your label on the map and putting Indian fashion on the map.
What really inspired to be part of this business, fashion business?
I've always been inspired by fashion. पहले मैं अपना सारा पैसा fashion पे खर्चती थी. I used to spend all my money on fashion, and now my husband jokes that at least now you're making clothes that other people are buying, so you're earning something from it as well. But it's always been a passion. It's a way of life. It's a way of expression for me. It's a way of saying who you are today without opening your mouth. So yeah, I think it's a second nature for me. And for every girl. And if you see, India is really catching up with trends as well. People are becoming a lot more experimental, and people are happy to be fashion forward, not just play safe. So it's an exciting time to be a designer.
And what do you have to comment on the growing scenario of the fashion industry in India?
Oh, most definitely. The fashion industry is growing leaps and bounds. And what's really nice is that people from outside of India are sitting up and taking notice of fashion in India. I was just in the Maldives, on a holiday, and I was wearing something from my label, and there were European people asking us, where do we get this from? How do we order? So I think it's a very ebullient time for Indian fashion, and it's a great time to be in the scene and to be a designer and to be out there and express yourself and your art.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I should show it on Sammy, come here. Good girl, and I think something like this will look very nice on her. Like so too, I love it. Preeto, wait!
What does fashion means to you, basically?
What does fashion means to any girl, I guess, not even girl, actually men these days too. I guess fashion is all about, opening your closet and try to look not different, but yeah, try to look nice and, get together everything and do something with your own, set of stuff, add something new to it, maybe just a piece of jewelry sometime, maybe just a piece of, something like a shrug or, something. It's not necessarily means that you go and shop something, upside down and change your wardrobe. Totally means like rearranging your wardrobe and rearranging yourself in the, in the same clothes, and that's what fashion means to me.
Many actors from Mandira Bedi to Shraddha Kapoor to now Roshni Chopra is launching her label as such. What comment do you have to make on it?
I guess being an actor, you always dress so well, and there's so many people who are always like around you, and so the clothes are something which comes to your mind the first, and you are so used to wearing so many different things, so the idea gets filled up in your head so many times when I am shooting, I wish maybe it was not like this and it was like this. So I guess it starts from there, and some people have an amazing interest in it, and so why not?
And which Indian designer you look forward to? I mean, you really...
Actually, not anybody in particular. I guess I like a mix of everything. As in, like, if I have to pick up something, I won't pick up just a full set of somebody. I might, mix and match stuff. So if I have to wear something for my wedding or something, then it'll be like the typical ones like Sabyasachi or the blouse, because it's just like most Indian and authentic look, and that's it.
And in the last decade, how far the fashion scenario has changed, the fashion sense, the thinking of a person?
See, the best thing is about these days is that even the people who are, going to the college, and people who are, just like going for an interview or a meeting, or maybe just for a general thing like a dinner, or maybe just going out for a drive, for a coffee. Everything has a, like a change of look or a wardrobe, whether they add a hairband in the evening or whether they, just change their shoes or something. They do make that effort and they do make that change, just to have an ice cream. So, just have casually dress. If they go into a restaurant, they might just like put a pair of earring with a, a same shirt. So I guess that what has changed is like people do make an effort to not just wash the face, to change accessories and the top.